Welcome back to another exciting Kitchen Gadgets Roundup. Don't forget to like and follow if you love discovering clever tools to simplify your life. These 25 affordable Amazon finds are here to transform your cooking game. Most of these items are on special deals right now, so check the links below. Let's dive in. Simplify your cooking with this silicone garlic peeler. Just insert a clove, roll it under your palm, and the skin comes right off. It's made from durable food-grade silicone and easy to clean. Say goodbye to sticky garlic hands and hello to effortless peeling. These silicone storage bags combine function and style. Their stand-up design makes them easy to fill, and they're perfect for storing snacks, leftovers, or meal prep ingredients. Completely microwave and dishwasher safe, they're an eco-friendly alternative to single-use plastic bags. Upgrade your baking game with this nesting set. The magnetic design keeps all cups and spoons securely stacked together for easy storage. Made of stainless steel with etched measurement markings, these tools are both accurate and durable. A bonus leveler ensures your measurements are perfect every time. These rechargeable grinders add a touch of elegance to your kitchen. With adjustable coarseness settings and a built-in LED light, they let you season dishes with precision. Say goodbye to manual grinding and hello to effortless flavor enhancement. These versatile stretch lids are perfect for covering bowls, jars, or leftovers of any shape. They create an airtight seal, keeping food fresh while reducing plastic waste. Durable and reusable, they're a sustainable must-have for any kitchen. Declutter your countertops with this sleek magnetic strip. It's powerful enough to hold knives, scissors, and other tools securely in place. With its minimalist design, it blends seamlessly into modern kitchens and keeps everything within reach. Make taco nights mess-free with these stainless steel taco holders. They keep tacos upright for easy filling and serving, whether you're enjoying a family dinner or hosting a party. Oven, dishwasher, and grill safe, they're as versatile as they are practical. Brew rich, flavorful espresso right at home with this Italian-style mocha pot. Featuring a crystal glass top and stainless steel base, it works on induction stoves and adds a stylish touch to your morning coffee ritual. Enjoy healthy, oil-free popcorn in minutes with this collapsible silicone bowl. It's heat-resistant, dishwasher-safe, and easy to store, making it perfect for movie nights or snacking on the go. Keep your stovetop clean with this set of fine mesh splatter screens. Designed to fit various pan sizes, they prevent grease splatters while allowing steam to escape. The resting feet make them easy to store when not in use. Take the guesswork out of rolling dough with this adjustable rolling pin. It comes with removable rings to set precise thicknesses, perfect for cookies, pizza crusts, or pie dough. The engraved measurement guide adds extra convenience for bakers. This ergonomic tool makes opening stubborn jars a breeze. The base pad provides stability while the non-slip grip ensures you can open any lid with ease. It's compact, durable, and a lifesaver in the kitchen. Organize your sink area with this rust-proof stainless steel caddy. With designated spots for sponges, brushes, and scrubbing pads, it keeps your sink neat and clutter-free. Its modern design fits seamlessly into any kitchen decor. Keep your avocados fresh longer with these silicone huggers. Designed with a pit storage option, they create an airtight seal to prevent browning. BPA-free and dishwasher-safe, they're an essential tool for avocado lovers. Effortlessly shape perfect meatballs with this innovative spoon set. The non-stick surface makes it easy to release the meatballs, and the ergonomic design is comfortable to use. Ideal for meal prep or special occasions, it's a fun and functional tool. This multi-purpose tool is perfect for cutting dough, scraping counters, or even slicing vegetables. Made of stainless steel, it features a laser-engraved measurement guide and conversion chart, making it a versatile must-have for baking and cooking. Keep your spices organized with this set of magnetic jars. Each jar has sift and pour lids for controlled seasoning, and the included pre-printed labels make finding the right spice quick and easy. Attach them to your fridge or a magnetic strip for a sleek look. Turn veggies into healthy, low-carb noodles with this compact spiralizer. It features 3 blade options for different cuts, making it perfect for zucchini, carrots, or cucumbers. Easy to clean and store, it's a great addition to any health-conscious kitchen. Cook perfect eggs and pancakes every time with these heat-resistant silicone molds. The non-stick design ensures easy release, while the vibrant colors add a fun touch to your cooking. They're great for breakfast sandwiches or creative plating. Say goodbye to parchment paper with these reusable silicone mats. Heat safe up to 480 degrees Fahrenheit, they provide a non-stick surface for baking cookies, pizza, and pastries. Easy to clean and store, they're a sustainable solution for bakers. These compact whisks are perfect for quick tasks like blending sauces, frothing milk, or whisking eggs. Made of durable stainless steel, they're easy to clean and fit into small spaces for storage. Elevate your meals with roasted garlic using this durable cast iron pot. It's compact enough for the oven, grill, or stovetop, and the handle makes it easy to serve directly from the roaster. Crack raw eggs effortlessly with this stainless steel tool. Its ergonomic design allows for easy use, whether you're separating eggs for baking or preparing soft-boiled eggs for breakfast. Create cafe-quality drinks at home with this rechargeable milk frother. It's perfect for lattes, matcha, or hot chocolate, delivering rich, creamy foam in seconds. No batteries required, and its sleek design is easy to clean. Slice, chop, and julienne veggies with precision using this adjustable mandolin. Designed with safety in mind, it features a non-slip base and easy-to-use thickness controls. Perfect for creating uniform slices for salads, fries, and more. That's a wrap on these 25 unique kitchen gadgets. If you saw something you loved, check out the links below. Many of these items are on special deals right now. Don't forget to like, share, and follow for more amazing finds. See you in the next video.